This idiot. I was writing, so he started revving his engine louder. Immediate psychosomatic shit. Fucking ingrained into low-level dumbasses and planes by the low-level idiot on the desk. That's how I spent 2 years. Two years in the air, like an idiot. I don't care, dude. Proudly turn in front of me. It's good for me to have this footage. Characterizes your stupid selves on film. You're an idiot. No, finish your circle, dude. Don't go off straight. Commit to your little fucked up shit. Piece of shit. Like it matters. I don't even have to play more than 2 videos.